The first impression is the last impression. The phrase, "the first impression is the last impression," suggests that the initial encounter or perception someone has of you can shape their lasting opinion. In various contexts, such as personal relationships, business interactions, or social situations, that first moment sets the tone for future interactions. Here's why it holds such significance. Number 1. Quick judgments. People tend to form judgments rapidly, often within seconds, based on appearance, body language, tone, and behavior. This first encounter can heavily influence their lasting opinion of you. Number 2. Hard to change. Once a first impression is formed, it can be challenging to alter, even if subsequent actions differ from that initial encounter. People may still hold on to their original perception.
Number 3.
Psychological bias. Humans are wired to categorize and assess situations quickly for safety, social status, or compatibility. This instinct reinforces the impact of first impressions, as we tend to rely on them as a shortcut to understanding someone. Number 4. Context matters. In professional settings, a strong first impression can open doors, while a poor one can close opportunities. In personal life, it can influence friendships or romantic relationships. While this saying emphasizes the power of first impressions, it's also important to note that with effort and time, impressions can evolve. However, it reinforces the idea that being mindful of how you present yourself initially can have long-term consequences.